Guys, this is Skyler channel and welcome back. I hope you are well. Okay, so let's get to work. Today we are going to, or I am going to show you how to hide your taskbar. How to hide your taskbar. Okay, so there are three steps. There are basically three steps. The first step is for beginners, and the second and the third step is for people who are advanced or know more about the computer. Okay, let's get to it. So step one, you go to start menu, then you go to settings, click on settings. After clicking on settings, you go to personalization. See, there are a bunch of menus here, so you go to personalization. After going to personalization, you'll see there are several options here. There's background, colors. In background, that's where you're going to change your desktop picture. Okay, colors here, there are different colors. You can choose this, this, and this for the taskbar and Windows. Lock screen, this is where you choose your lock screen picture. Themes, here you're going to choose your theme. You're going to select a different fonts. Here on start, we're going to show just as more settings about the personalization, and here is where you're supposed to be, or this is where you're interested in the taskbar. So we see there are also options here. There's lock the taskbar, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode, hide the taskbar in tablet mode, and others. So what you're interested in is the second one. After the lock the taskbar, this one called automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So you can see it's off, so what you have to do is just click here to turn it on. Turn it on, you can see the the taskbar has disappeared. When you click off again, the taskbar comes up here. As you can see, you click on, it disappears again. And remember, it does not, you should not be worried because it has not permanently disappeared, just temporarily, so that you can allow you to get the clear view of the full, or get a full screen, full view of the desktop. Right, so that is the step one. Okay, let's go to step two. You just right click on the desktop, then you choose personalize. Choosing personalize, you come to taskbar, then if it's off, you click on. Nice. On to the third step, or the last step. You come to the taskbar and right click on the taskbar, but make sure you don't right click on any of these icons, because when you right click on any of these icons, it will give you a selective menu of the icons. But we need to right click on the taskbar, so we're going to choose a place where there is no icon, like here. Then you right click. To right clicking, you choose taskbar settings, and it will take you directly to the taskbar menu. So if it is off here, click on. That's it, and thank you. Make sure you watch the full video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, comment. Kindly comment on the next video that I'm supposed to make. Give me an idea on the next video that you want me to make. I really like listening to my fans. Okay, bye bye, see you next time.
Damn, I've been having a lot of scary dreams. Chasing dead presidents, I wanna shoot his beams. Honestly, I don't give a shit, let's full of it. Haters said keep it down like tape. Shit as good, can call like Kate.